Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use HubSpot for lead generation. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for HubSpot.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, you can use many ways for lead generation, but in this tutorial, we will be using the Forms feature. For that, get to the left side menu and access Marketing. Inside it, click on the Forms submenu and a new page will open up. Here, click on the Create a Form button at the top right corner and skip the guide pop-up. Now, choose the form type from this page and then click on the Next button at the top right corner. You will now be prompted to edit the form to your preference. You can upload images, edit overall text, and also change its color. To add a website's redirecting URL, select the second option at the bottom and enter the URL now. Click on Next and a bunch of new settings will open up. You can change them to your preference and proceed to the next step. At the end, you will be able to see a preview of the form. You can also click on the embedded button to get to the entered website. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use HubSpot for lead generation. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.